children, good morning. Welcome to online classes of Standard 6 subject Social Science. So lastly we have seen about latitude, right? So now moving towards our continuing this latitude and longitude. Okay. So now is latitude line. Now what is latitude line? The east and west circle connecting the places found on the earth in the northern or southern hemisphere at an equal distance from equator are called latitude lines. So what is latitude lines? See here in this para, latitude line means all the circle should be divided into equal parts. From north to south equal, see here north and south equal part, north and south equal part, east and west equal part. So all are connecting east and west are connecting towards north and south at an equal distance are known as a latitude line. Right? Now is see figure 9.5 circles and corner. So how the circles is formed of 90 degree, then up to which place 60 degrees. See here you can see now, and it is corner is there. Now longitude. The vertical imaginary lines drawn on the surface of the earth are called longitude. So we have seen in latitude the horizontal line. Horizontal means like this straight. See here. Horizontal line like this, right? So latitude means horizontal imaginary line drawn, and in longitude vertical imaginary line is drawn. So the vertically imaginary line drawn on the surface of the earth are called longitude. So here the vertically lines drawn on the surface of the earth are called longitude, and the horizontal line which are drawn on the surface of the earth is known as a latitude. Now the longitude meet each other at the poles. This line come closer to each other while going towards the pole. So here is the pole, south pole and north pole. So each line will come closer when it meet to the poles. This line come closer to each other while going towards the pole. There are total 360 longitude among which. So total how many is there? 360 latitude is there in whole. Now out of which 0 latitude and 180 degree latitude are longitude are important. So total 360 degree latitude longitude are there. In that 0 degree and 180 degree are important. So let me show you the picture of this latitude and longitude. So see here you can see the picture of the latitude and longitude, right? What here is the south pole, north pole. See, latitude goes like this way and what longitude go like this way. So latitude towards this and longitude towards this, right? We have seen, and here we have seen total 360 are there. So just as an example, so from up to 0 point to 180 both are important part of a longitude. Okay. So this is the latitude and longitude. How latitude will go like this and longitude will go like this. Okay. Now next is North Pole. Now next here it is North Pole, South Pole, Prime Mediterranean. See here northern hemisphere goes upwards and southern hemisphere go downwards, right? Then here it is a Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Cancer here, Equator and Tropic of Capricorn. These three are there. Last is Antarctica Circle we have seen, and first is Arctic Circle we have seen previously, right? So here is the starting with North Pole and here is the South Pole. Now here longitude is there and here latitude is there, right? So both will meet at the, it is a northern hemisphere and it is in southern hemisphere. Okay, so you have seen what is latitude and longitude, how it will there, and in longitude what is there, 0 to 180 is the most important. Okay, so now linear circle, the north is south straight line connecting the imaginary surface of the original linear to the earth axis on the same angular distance along the Earth's surface is called a linear circle. Now what they are telling in one sentence, we can say that linear circle, the north and south, right? Straight line connecting to the imaginary line drawn on the pole we have seen now. And it will match to the earth. Then only it is called as a linear circle. Same distance should be there up to north and south connecting between there, and it is matched, and distance should be matched with the earth circles, right? Earth surface is called a linear circle. Now this is 9.6 picture of a longitude. Here vertical line is there, and we have seen above what is there, horizontal line. Okay, so this is the difference between latitude and longitude, and I have shown you the pic that latitude go like upwards, longitude from here it will go. Now notice that there is a horizontal line drawn in the center of the earth's surface. So we have to notice that earth's surface is there and there horizontal line is drawn. It is equator. The equator divides the earth into two equal parts, and the equator is there now. So suppose we are in equator, it will divide earth into two parts, first part and second part. Okay, the portion above equator is called northern hemisphere. So it is called northern hemisphere, and the portion towards the south is called a southern hemisphere. Okay, so this we have seen. Thus latitude in its north are called northern latitudes, and those towards south are called southern latitude. So we have seen in picture, some are going like here upward, so they are northern latitudes, and some are going downside, most probably they are southern latitudes. And 23.5 north, latitude in the northern hemisphere is called Tropic of Cancer. So here what is there upon latitude, here it is there is known as a Tropic of Cancer. Okay, and it is at 23.5. Note it down, it is at 23.5. And thus the southern hemisphere it is there, it is known as a Tropic of Capricorn. One more time we have a drawing this one circle, two line, it is known as a equator. This is one part, this is second part, this is known as a northern hemisphere, this is known as a southern hemisphere. And latitude are there here are known as northern latitude, latitude here are known as southern latitude. Okay, this part is called Tropic of Cancer. Okay, and this part is known as Tropic of Capricorn, and it is at 23.5 degree. Okay, this much you understand. Above is there is that is Tropic of Cancer, and downward is there is Tropic of Capricorn, and between which divide the earth into two equal parts is known as an equator. Okay, so now let's move further. I think you hope you all understood, and it is at 23.5 degree. Okay, now similarly 66.5 latitude in the north of equator is called Arctic Circle. So here we have seen that one circle is there, right? Equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, and what is the degree here? 23.5. Now this is 66.5. It is known as Arctic. In northern hemisphere, which is there, it is known as Arctic Circle, and 66 latitude in south is known as Antarctic. Here it is there is known as Antarctic, and upward is known as Arctic. The speed of the sun between Tropic of North and Tropic of Capricorn in the south of equator is called solstice. Now what is solstice? The speed of the sun between Tropic of Cancer in the north and Tropic of Cancer in the south. Now solstice we are seeing the meaning. Here we have seen equator, right? See, wait a minute. Here we have seen equator, right? Now this is Tropic of Cancer, This is in North Pole. This is South Pole, Tropic of Capricorn, right? Now, the speed of sun which passes through between Tropic of Cancer, here sun is there, which is passes between this Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, is known as solstice. What this sun is known as? Solstile. Okay. Therefore, the circle between this are called solstice. It takes 6 months for this speed of the sun. Earth is titled at the corner of 23.5 degree. So, what is the corner of the Earth is 23.5 degree. Thus, sun rays fall almost straight between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. So, how much round it takes? 6 months. So, the sun rays will fall almost straight. Almost straight will be there in between here. Tropic of Cancer also and Tropic of Capricorn also. Okay. Now, we can see here figure also that we have drawn same is here. Just one time we'll see. Here is the equator, Tropic of Capricorn, Tropic of Cancer. Upward is there is Arctic Circle and downward is there is Antarctic Circle. Okay. Antarctic Circle and Arctic Circle is at 66.5 degree. And equator at 0 degree. Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn as 23.5 degree. Okay. So up to here we will keep our lecture. Next we'll see another point. Thank you, children.